In this video, we're going to show you to install the exterior mirror on your Jeep Wrangler, located on the outside of your door. The process for the driver's side is the same as the passenger side. Now we went ahead and started by spraying some rust penetrant on these bolts here. You want to be careful not to get too much onto the paint of the vehicle. Make sure you wipe that up. Using your T27 Torx bit, go ahead and loosen and remove these 3 bolts. You want to hold on to that mirror when you remove that last bolt. Go ahead and pull that mirror off. And there will be a gasket normally between the two. Make sure that comes off with it. You're going to take your new door gasket, line it up with the flange, press that into place. Go ahead and get your bolts started here. And once you have 2 of these started here, you can go ahead and let go of that mirror. Get your 3rd bolt lined up here. Let's go ahead and tighten these down. You want to tighten these down here. You want to tighten them down evenly. Once those bolts snug down, you want to just give it a little bit more. You don't want to over tighten. Make sure that all of your bolts are flush mounted here. Make sure the mirror is solid. Once that's all set, you can then grab the body of this mirror, adjust accordingly, as well as pivot the arm itself for folding. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.